Hi viewers. Today we're making tuna stuffed avo. I'm also going to use the same stuffing for a taco. Chopped celery, drained canned tuna, chopped red onion, chopped cucumber skin. We will go through the different herbs and seasoning. Ignore the diced avo. It will be used for taco. Sprinkle fresh chopped parsley, fresh chopped chives, fresh chopped dill, thinly chopped lemon zest, black pepper, and salt. Chili oil adds heat, taste, and aroma. The recipe for chili oil is available in this channel. What you see in the center is a drizzle of honey. I also added half a spoon of Dijon mustard right at the corner. Now, this mayo is the right consistency, the right color, and it is flavorful and healthy. You will see it at the end of the video. Use a thin utensil to gently mix your ingredients. I use 2 chopsticks. When the salad is ready, scoop it into avo halves. And my secret ingredient is this garlic-flavored mayo squeeze. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.